In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned a simple product image like this one into a fully animated e-commerce video ad that looks just like this.
Still wearing the same old boring shirt? It's time to stand out. Introducing the Joe Took Hawaiian shirt, your go-to style for summer heat and tropical vibes. Made with lightweight, breathable fabric that keeps you cool wherever the day takes you. Bold, eye-catching prints, tailored fit, effortless style. Whether you're at the beach, a BBQ, or hanging with friends, this shirt brings the island energy wherever you go. Why just wear a shirt when you can wear the vibe? Don't wait for vacation. Bring the vacation to you. Tap the link now to grab your Joe Took Hawaiian shirt on Amazon before it's gone.
Every single scene, every product animation, every camera movement you are seeing here was made 100% using AI. No cameras, no actors, no filming, no designers. I didn't shoot anything and I didn't hire anyone. This ad was generated using just a few smart prompts and a tool called SodaMarketing AI and a touch of creative direction. And in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process of how I created this ad, even if you have never made a video ad before. So before we dive into the full workflow, let me quickly explain why this matters. Lately, I have been seeing more and more e-commerce stores running AI-generated video ads. And here is the crazy part. When I started testing this myself, I noticed that these AI-powered video ads often had a higher click-through rate and even a higher ROAS than the traditional ads. That's the power of combining the right tools with the right message. Alright, now let me show you how I built this entire video ad starting from just a product image. There are a few essential steps that you need to follow to create a smooth, professional-looking video ad like this one. So let's get straight into it. So here is the product we will be using to create our video ad today. It is just a random item I picked from Amazon. And the best part, you can follow the exact same steps I'm about to show you to create animated, highly converting video ads for any product. No design or video skills are required. Let's dive in. Step 1 is super simple. Just copy the product URL from Amazon. Now head over to ChatGPT and just use a basic prompt like this one. You are a professional copywriter. Create a short video ad script for this product. Start with a hook, then a compelling body, and end with a strong call to action. It's just something simple like that. Paste the product link right after the prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT instantly generated a full video ad script for us, and it looks great. Next, we will ask ChatGPT to turn this video script into a visual prompt, one for each scene, so we can generate matching images for our video ad. And boom, the prompts are ready. Now it's time to jump into SodaMarketing AI. You will find the link of SodaMarketing AI in the video description below. Once you sign up for an account, the first thing you want to do is to create a brand. Just go to Brands tab and click Create Brand. Fill in the brand details like the name, industry, and then upload your logo, then hit Create. I already have a brand set up here, so I will skip ahead. Once your brand is created, go to the Train AI product section. Copy the product name from Amazon and paste it into the product name field. Then choose the brand you just created from the drop down here. Since this product is a shirt, a wearable item, we will leave the wearable product option as yes. Now go back to Amazon and download all the product images, drag them into the uploader on SodaMarketing AI. Then click Train AI product. Once the training is completed, click on Generate. You will be asked to choose the image size. This will also determine the size of the output video we will get. Then select the prompting option inside SodaMarketing AI. This is where we will generate product images using the prompt we got from ChatGPT. There is an enhanced prompt toggle here. Since we already have a detailed prompt, we might want to turn it off. But I have seen cases where leaving it on still gives better results even if you have a very good prompt already. My suggestion is to try both and use whichever looks best. Now head back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene prompt, return to SodaMarketing AI and paste the prompt into the field and click Generate. And just like that, in under a minute, you will have your first AI generated image ready to be used in your animated video ad. As you can see, we now have a stunning high-quality image of the product, complete with a model wearing it. It's a perfect visual match to the prompt we used, showing off the product and all its details, with a crystal clear accuracy. No glitches, no weird AI mistakes, just a clean professional output. And it's 100% AI generated. Now, let's move on to the second image. Just head back to ChatGPT, grab the second scene prompt, and come back to SodaMarketing AI. While I could paste the prompt directly here, I highly recommend the reset all option first. This clears the previous settings and ensures that SodaMarketing AI treats each prompt as a brand new scene, which will lead to a better results. Next, select your image size and product just like what we did before. This time I will turn enhance my prompt on, so you can see the difference it makes in the output. Then we'll just click on generate. And here we go. Another beautiful AI generated image for the next scene. Now it's obvious. We will just repeat this exact process for the remaining scenes until we have 4 complete images for the video ad. So here is the 3rd generated image. And now here is the 4th generated image. So now that we have all the 4 images ready, it's time to turn them into animated video scenes. Let's head back to the dashboard at SodaMarketing AI. Click on the section AI product image. This will take you to a view with all the generated images for your video ad. Click on the image you want and then select convert to video. Now back in ChatGPT, I will ask it to generate a short video prompt that matches the visual for each scene. This will help bring our images to life. And just like that, we have got a custom prompt for each video scene. Now copy the prompt for the first scene and paste it into SodaMarketing AI. Click next, then choose enhance my prompt. You can quickly review the enhanced version of the prompt, and once you are happy with it, hit generate. While the first video scene is being rendered, I will go back to AI product images and repeat the process for each of the remaining 3 images. And here we go. In just a few minutes, all 4 video scenes are now completed and ready in the product video section. So let's take a look. Here is the first video scene. Oh, and wow, this looks amazing. Super clean, smooth animation and totally AI generated. I love how it turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and click download. Now onto the second scene. This one looks great too. Just what I was aiming for. I will download this one as well. And let's do the same with the remaining 2 scenes. Review them, and if they look good, download them too. Alright, now that I have all 4 video scenes ready, let's bring them together into one final ad. I will open CapCut, create a new project, and simply drag and drop the 4 video files into the timeline, just like that. And now we have got one smooth continuous video made up of 4 fully AI generated animated scenes. Looking good. We are almost done. Next up, it's time to add a voiceover to bring this ad to life. Head over to 11labs.io and choose the text-to-speech option. Now, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the video script in a way that is optimized for AI voiceover. Something a little more natural and flowing for narration. Once you have got the version ready, copy each section of the script and paste it into 11 Labs. Just like this. And when the full script is in, just click Generate Speech. And boom, our voiceover is ready. Click download and then head back into CapCut. Drag and drop your voiceover file beneath the video track in the timeline, just like that. Now, to make everything tighter and more engaging, I will trim out any long silent parts in the voiceover to improve the pacing and the tempo of the video ad. And just like that, our voiceover is fully synced with the visuals and ready to go. But at this point, you might notice that our video scenes are way much shorter than the total voiceover length. That's totally fine. We have got 2 simple options to fix this. Option 1, we can go back to SodaMarketing AI and generate more video scenes using the exact same prompt we used earlier. This way, we will have new visual to fill out the rest of the voiceover. Option 2, we can reuse some of the scene we already created. For example, I can copy this scene, paste it again on the timeline, then maybe repeat this scene after that one, and so on, just to keep the visuals looping naturally within the voiceover. Now that we have got the video structure ready, let's create a strong ending with a compelling call to action. This time we are going back to SodaMarketing AI, but instead of generating video scenes, we are going to use another powerful feature, the AI social media posts and ads design generator. Here is how to do it. Click on generate, select AI social media posts and ads design, choose your preferred size. Now select your brand, the one we created earlier. Pick a tone of a voice, in this case I will choose casual, and then select the output language. Then in the description box, just type a short brief of what the ad should communicate. I'm going to write something like create social media ad to promote our new men's shirts with short sleeves featuring our limited time offer 50% discount. You don't need to be very specific here, just describe the product, its name and the offer or key message you want to promote in this ad. Next, click on add image. This time I'm going to upload one of the original product photos, ideally with a simple or clean background so the designs looks professional once uploaded. SodaMarketing AI will give me two versions of the image, one with the background and the other one with a transparent background. I will go with transparent version for cleaner design and focused results. Then click generate and give it a moment. And here we go. SodaMarketing AI has just created a full set of social media ads, beautiful design, fully branded using our brand logo and colors, and even matching the tone of the product itself. As you can see, the ads looks amazing. You will notice the Amazon logo is embedded here. That's because I added it earlier when setting up the brand just for the demo purpose. Now let's scroll through and check out the ad designs we have got here. Alright, I really like this ad design. It's clean, eye-catching, and makes the perfect final scene with a strong call to action for our video ad. So I will go ahead and select it, then simply click convert to video. I will leave the video duration set to 5 seconds as usual. I'm going to select one of the ready-made options here at SodaMarketing AI to add that dynamic look. Then click next, enhance my prompt. I will quickly review the enhanced prompt. I think I only need the first part, so I will delete the rest. I need something very simple here at the end of our video ad. Then click generate video, and here we go. We now have a perfect final scene for our video ad. And as you can see, none of the text is broken or distorted, which is one of the unique features of SodaMarketing AI. That level of quality and accuracy make a huge difference in a professional looking ads. Now let's download the video, then drag it into the end of the timeline in CapCut. Next, we will just smoothen the transitions between scenes. Just go ahead and drag in transitions between each clip. Nothing too fancy, just enough to make everything flow nicely. Now, it's time to add a music track. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it for some keywords for a music that would fit our video ad. We have got a few keyword suggestions. I like this one, feel good. It gives the right vibe for our product. Back in CapCut, I will search for feel good in the music tracks and choose the track that match the energy of the ad. Once I have found the one I like, I will drag it into the timeline under the video. Next, I will trim the track so it ends exactly when the video ends. Then click on the audio and apply a fade out effect. Just slide the fade out bar toward right to make the ending sound smooth and professional. Once the music is set, we will move on to add auto caption to our ad. In CapCut, go to text, then select auto captions and click generate. And boom, your captions are ready. Now let's give them catchy style. Click on the captions, go to templates and pick one that grab attention. Resize it a bit to make it fit nicely on the screen. And just like that, we are done. Review your final video one last time. If everything looks good, go ahead and click export. And here is the final result.
Still wearing the same old boring shirt? It's time to stand out. Introducing the Joe Took Hawaiian shirt, your go-to style for summer heat and tropical vibes. Made with lightweight, breathable fabric that keeps you cool wherever the day takes you. Bold, eye-catching prints, tailored fit, effortless style. Whether you're at the beach, a BBQ, or hanging with friends, this shirt brings the island energy wherever you go. Why just wear a shirt when you can wear the vibe? Don't wait for vacation. Bring the vacation to you. Tap the link now to grab your Joe Took Hawaiian shirt on Amazon before it's gone.
A stunning, fully AI-generated video ad with music, voiceover, transition, caption, and powerful call to action, all done without hiring a team or using any real product footage. And that's it. You have just seen a step-by-step how I created fully animated video ad from product images with voiceover, music, captions, and even strong call to action, all powered by AI. No filming, no editing team, no graphic designs. With tools like SodaMarketing AI, the game has completely changed. And right now, the early adopters are the ones reaping the biggest rewards. Whether you are running your own e-commerce store, freelancing, or managing ads for clients. This is how you scale faster, work smarter, and stand out in a competitive market. Remember, it is not about working harder. It's about working intelligently with the right tools. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out more tutorials like this. And let me know in comments what would you like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. This was Yasser Salim.